Hello there, Cancer sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This is your reading for the month of November. So, Cancer, hindi lahat ng Cancer maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Cancer sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo maka-resonate, Cancer. So, anong kailangan nyo malaman this month of November? Cancer, pag hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placement. Your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign. Dahil pwedeng doon kayo naka-resonate. Kahit naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to. So, do check your other placement. Your sun, moon, rising, Venus sign. Dahil pwedeng mag-connect doon yung reading ninyo. So, let's start. Anong kailangan nyo malaman this month of November for your love reading? So, let's see your situation first. For the Cancer people, sun, moon, rising, Venus. What is your situation, Cancer? Cancer. Cancer. You might be dealing with an LDR person. I can see here that na parang might be this, you are trapped because you want a clarity from this person. Might be LDR kayo tapos nag-ghost ka niya and right now you don't know how to move forward. Like you wanted to move forward and never look back, yet parang you wanted to stay or wait. So trap ka sa situation this time. So, might be nag-away kayo ng person mo na to and then, because of another party, so, napagod siya and then just walk away. Parang, hindi na lang siya nagparamdam sa'yo. Parang iniwan niya sa'yo yung problema ninyong dalawa. So, you might be dealing here with Sagittarius. Capricorn is also here. Might be this is you, Cancer sign, or there is another Cancer to Cancer. So, sun, moon, rising, Venus. Anyway. This person ghosted you because of another person. Okay? Third party involved. So, tingnan natin ano yung feeling ng person mo this time. For you. Cancer, feeling ko sa part mo, hindi ka nagpapakita ng, sabihin natin na, emotions masyado. Like, yeah, you are Cancer, but I think there is a placement sa iyo na parang matapang kapag dating sa might be social media posting, something like that. Nagiging practical ka. So, I can see here, Cancer, sa feelings niya towards with you, napagod siya. Nung nag-away na lang kayong dalawa, nagreklamo ka na, palagi ka na lang nagiging emotional, is napagod siya. Natrap kasi sa situation, naipit siya. Like, alam niya yung mga nangyayari, kasalanan niya yung mga nangyari, yet wala siyang magagawa, kaya naipit siya. So, kaya ito yung nangyari dito. I think you know about this, or it's either you know about this or meron kang intuition about this. Yun yung nararamdaman niya na parang alam mo na. Pero, na-appreciate ka niya. However, nakita niya sa'yo yung generosity mo, kindness, good for like wife material person. Yun yung pakiramdam niya para sa'yo. Kaya lang napagod lang talaga siya sa mga nangyari. Pagtatalo. So, ano yung feeling mo talaga dito, Cancer? Towards your person. Very confused yung person mo this time. Ano yung feeling mo, Cancer? So remember guys, pwede itong vice versa, okay? Feeling mo sobrang cold ng situation. You felt like left alone and you felt empty. You still want that this person will come back to you. You parang nakaramdam ka dito ng parang unfair sa situation. Parang hindi fair yung mga ginawa mo sa akin. Parang ganun. Parang gusto mo ng changes. You still want to have a changes with this person or changes in yourself. However, nami-miss mo talaga siya. I think you still want to offer that. You still want this person towards victory. Ang bigat ng problema mo ngayon. Ang bigat ng nararamdaman mo ngayon. Kasi you still feel the connection. Kahit sabihin natin, sabi ko, kahit sabihin natin na hindi mo to masyadong pinapakita, might be through social media, through your friends, pero deep inside, parang nade-depress ka na. So, ano yung nangyayari or ano yung pwede mangyari this month of November, Cancer? Ano yung pwede mangyari this month of November? Okay. I don't think so that you were going to accept the offer, Cancer, this month of November. Or it's either not you, your person. I think your person. Might be itry mo siyang kausapin, then hindi niya tatanggapin. May mga sleepless night this November, might be sa'yo or sa person mo. Okay? I can see here, it's either like, pwedeng ikaw to. Guys, just takes what resonates, Cancer sign. This November, merong offer, merong mag-offer, and merong hindi tatanggapin yung offers. Just like that. It's either sa part mo or sa part niya. Something like that. Kasi pwede itong boy and girl na Cancer, okay? So, you just wanted to move forward and never look back. So, I consider na ikaw to na ayaw mo nang tanggapin yung offer ng person na to sa pagbabalik niya because you wanted to have a changes already in your life. But I can see here that the love is really here, Cancer. Sobrang stress ka sa mga nangyari. Like, kung sa pagbalik niya sa'yo, this is a wish fulfillment for you, pero parang nandun ka na sa point na tatanggapin ko ba to? Sinaktan na ako nito ng sobra. Parang nagkakaroon na sa'yo ng doubt. So, this November, ito yung mga pwedeng mangyari. Magda-doubt ka about this person's coming back to you. Alam mo yung hinihintay mo siya na bumalik. Tapos, nung pagbalik niya, like habang hinihintay mo siya, like you are trying so hard to be practical na mag-enjoy sa sarili mo. Nung bumalik na siya, like nakaramdam ka na, this is it. This is a wish fulfillment. Pero nakaramdam ka ng parang hindi ka nakatulog, na parang feeling mo, hindi mo na na-appreciate yung pagbabalik niya. So, ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? You might be dealing here with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a young one or a matured one. Either way, you might have a Capricorn in your chart. Check your placement. Or malakas yung Capricorn sa chart mo, sa placement mo. So, ito yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Sobrang nakukonfuse ako sa mga nangyayari sa atin. Andun pa ako sa point na magle-let go na ba ako sa'yo or mag-hold on pa ako. However, gusto ko pa rin ng maayos tayo. Magkaroon tayo ng magandang relasyon, a complete relationship, like a successful relationship. I'm just waiting for a sign. I'm just waiting for the enlightenment. Sa separation na meron tayo. I don't know if this is already a separation, but para sa akin kasi, i-consider ko na to. The cycle has already ended. Parang gusto ko na lang din mag-focus sa sarili ko this time. Ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko. Ayusin ko muna yung buhay ko. I really wanted to be fair with you. I know that minahal mo talaga ako. Okay, you need justice sa mga nagawa ko sa'yo. Kaya babalik at babalik pa din ako. I know, I have that feeling. Gagawin ko kung anong gusto ko. Babalikan kita, kakausapin kita, at itatry ko na ayusin tayo. Ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin sa atin. Pero, para sa akin, kailangan ko muna talaga na ayusin din muna yung buhay ko. Nag-iisip din ako na maayos na tayo. Ay, mabalik tayo sa dati if magbabalik na ako ulit. Bigat pa kasi ng mga problema, parang very fresh pa. So, hayaan muna natin na bigyan natin ng space yung isa't isa. And if it's really meant to be, then it will be. So, yun yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Guys, sorry. Cancer people. So, that is my reading for you guys. Thank you and God bless.